that train can fly! Oh, so look at that. Oh, yeah! Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Ha! Really good. Yeah, strange looking, dude. That train is really fly.
Yeah, what you said it, baby.
Yes, that was really...
Okay, dude, we get it.
And really intense, that what I figured out.
Well, that's really interesting. Yeah, but they said.
Well, then that'll do, fellas. Okay, but I wonder where they're up to now. Well, now, it's all up to that guy.
Oh, sorry I'm late.
You guys, did I miss that?
Was that
The train flying up in the air?
Nice try, Bolo. You just don't get it, and you don't even understand. But you missed it.
Oh, I knew what I don't understand. And I missed it. Oh, dang it.
So, that is the one that we see in the flying train, you know?
Yeah,
That's really
aggressive.
when I get it. Huh. Well, that was the time travel. Not what we seen. That's why
Back
to the
90s.
no, BF. That's not what we think of. Oh,
Josie.
did you know what we
Get
get
it?
if we just ride on that Hogwarts Express, you know? Oh, no,
Dan?
that's why it is. That what we figured. Well, gotta lay off of the Frankenstein because I'm just laying off all these brains. So, that was the time travel, right?
That's one way that I figured out.
So that's why you were thinking of, right? Yeah, that's why I lay off all of these. Well, I can figure out what I can take care of the bad fat. If what did I mean? Just like it. You know it? Do you? That's why I hate those bad guys of these stupid little. That's what I figured, right? Nope, not at all.
Okay, you two. There's no reason for you to be arguing. Don't argue like that, okay? We're heroes. We don't argue, remember? That's why we done it. Oh, whatever. And I mean, really, whatever. Knock it off, Frankenstein. Please be quiet. And don't be bothered to yourself.
Okay, girls. Would you girls calm down? There's no reason for her to be arguing. Can we stop fighting? Should we all be friends?
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. I'll calm down. Yeah, so do I. Well, then let's not fight ever again for arguing for each other.
Okay, enough. Let's all stop arguing and forget about it when we have done it, okay?
You know, that's why you're not the best one. You're not even better than Commander Video from the BIT Triple Runner. And you're more worse than Uncle Thomas the Tank Engine.
Or what you said so? Or else, and you're even more worse than Uncle Thomas the Tank Engine.
Wrong! That's not my special coach! Listen, you useless blue puffball! James has been working on my line driving me crazy! And you're not gonna bring Douglas back home because of a stupid coach!